Individuals are continually searching for approaches to acquire more cash, either maintaining two sources of income or working at home. There are really numerous ways for you to procure cash through work-at-home occupations, and despite the fact that this doesn't expect cash to begin, it includes yielding time so as to profit. Here are a couple of ways you can telecommute. The principal alternative is to turn into an independent article author for online web distributors and acquire $2 or $3 for one article. This undertaking can be performed in the advantage of your own room or any place you are right now, and this needn't bother with cash to begin. Generally, the compensation for article essayists extend from $3 to $5 for each article. In spite of the fact that this doesn't sound a lot, you can rehearse, and once you show signs of improvement, you can compose more articles a day and produce more cash. This is certifiably not an awful alternative on the off chance that you can compose rapidly and form articles well. Another approach to win cash through work from home open doors is to make your very own articles and disperse these on a web stage which doesn't charge cash. Afterwards, you can put promoting posts on the blog. In any case, this is certainly not a plan to get rich quick, as this is something contrary to that procedure. It is really a long and moderate procedure to produce a beneficial measure of cash, and may take quite a while as well. Be that as it may, on the off chance that you commit to it for about a year or likely 2, you can really observe a few returns for the time you have contributed. Click the link in the description for more information.